Phonics, fist fight. Say that 3 times fast. Do you know how long the argument has been going on between folks who are in favor of whole word reading versus phonics? 4 centuries. Seriously, I've done the research. Folks have been arguing about this since the mid-1600s. And there's good research to back up both sides. But when we're dealing with Down syndrome or other delays, we only want to ask one question. What works? My answer is teach analytic phonics. My advice is to steer clear of synthetic phonics unless you're sure it's going to work with your learner. So what's the difference? Analytic phonics starts with teaching meaningful words from the whole to the part. First you teach meaningful words and then you analyze those parts. Synthetic phonics works from meaningless parts and later assembles them into a whole. For example, let's look at analytic phonics. Let's say you've made a personal book for your child about bananas. First he learns to read the word bananas, and then you break that apart and help him to decode it later. If you're teaching with synthetic phonics, first you're going to teach blends, digraphs, diphthongs, etc., and then later assemble those into words. So what's the problem with that? Well, learners with Down syndrome typically have auditory processing difficulties and cognitive challenges that can make synthetic phonics incredibly frustrating. The good news is that most learners with Down syndrome or autism are strong visual learners, and that works beautifully for whole word learning. So there you go. It's your choice. I'll see you next time, and here's your homework.